It is next submitted that during the moratorium period no payment could have been made as per the provisions of the IBC stock. It is contended that if any payment would have been made during the moratorium period, the same would have been in breach of the provisions of the IBC stock. It is submitted that as per the resolution plan accepted during the insolvency proceedings, the resolution applicant was required to deposit all statutory dues within 6 months from the effective date into an escrow account. Stop that as per the resolution plan payment to escrow account shall be treated as effective payment to the relevant operational creditors. Stop. It is further contended that in this case effective date is 24/07/2020, the date on which the resolution plan was approved by the NCLT. Stop. So, service tax dues along with other statutory dues were deposited in an escrow account on 8/01/2021 before the expiry of the period of 6 months. Stop. It is accrued that this honorable court has held that once a moratorium has been enforced, any existing proceeding against the debtor shall stand prohibited. Stop. In this regard, it is submitted that the IBC shall have precedence over any inconsistent statutes. Stop. Para. It is vehemently submitted that in any case no person can be left remediless due to operation of law. Stop. That in the present case the moratorium period under the IBC was extended due to the COVID-19 pandemic and non-functioning of the NCLT. Stop. It is contended that even otherwise the appellant could not have made any payment during the moratorium period by operation of law, and inability to make the payment was owing to the moratorium imposed under the provisions of the IBC. Stop. It is urged that therefore the appellant may not be left remediless when the application under the scheme 2019 was submitted and processed within time. Stop. In support of her above submissions and the relief prayed learned counsel appearing on behalf of the appellant has heavily relied upon the decisions of this court. Stop. It is reiterated submitted that the appellant could not make the payment due to legal disability and no one can be expected to do the impossible. Stop. Reliance is placed on the decisions of this court. Stop. It is submitted that the appellant cannot be prejudiced or made to suffer for no fault of the appellant. Stop. Reliance is placed on the decision of this court in Anmol Kumar Tiwari and others versus State of Jharkhand, reported in SCC. Stop.